At least 36 people have died, and dozens are missing after torrential rain brought flooding and landslides to coastal areas of southeast Brazil over the weekend, as the country geared up for its annual carnival celebrations. Rescue efforts continued in Sao Paulo state on Monday, as more than 500 workers searched for victims, cleared roads, and tried to reconnect isolated communities. But the task was hampered by heavy rain, which has also displaced hundreds of people and trapped an undetermined number of tourists who had traveled for Carnival. Sao Paulo state government said rain in the region had surpassed 600 millimeters or 23.6 ton in one day, one of the highest amounts ever in Brazil in such a short period. Weather forecasts show heavy rains will continue in Sao Paulo's coastal area, challenging rescue teams and raising the prospect of more confirmed deaths. Sao Paulo state has declared a 180-day state of emergency for 6 cities after what experts described as an unprecedented extreme weather event.
Esse é o jeito que nós estamos encontrando o Morro do Borel, a parte de baixo do Morro do Borel, que cedeu completamente. Tem muita gente aqui ainda soterrada, as pessoas estão aqui desesperadas atrás dos seus parentes, dos seus familiares. Um perigo gigantesco por conta dos fios. É uma cena assim desesperadora, lamentável.